to know you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, please make our grout. Do you need another light, or are you good?
No, we're good. I just I like I like to do before and afters.
Oh, this would be a good before and
Mm-hmm.
after. I hope we got it all ready enough.
Oh yeah, no, you did a great job. Thank you.
Uh-huh. I'm off on Friday, so
Oh, I was wondering about that.
showered and
How
stuff.
was the meeting last week? I was where was I? Down in San Diego, I think.
Oh, and I didn't go because they...
Okay, step one, using a variety of picks and razors and other miscellaneous little scraping tools. I was able to effectively remove all the failed latex grout, the stuff that comes out of a caulking gun that never lasts in a wet situation like this, and certainly not when the house is having settling issues. Here's the master bath where I was removing the latex as well as some hard water deposits around the spigots. Always a nice touch. Use compressed air to blow out any loose bits of grout and, more importantly, any leftover moisture, particularly around the fixtures, especially in the kitchen sink on this job here where there was quite a bit because the seal had been failed for so long. It was a very effective trick. Also removing and replacing the micro gap around this guest shower. This wall-to-wall joint was the widest gap in this install. And here we go, about 6 hours later, we got all the material out of all 3 rooms, and I've applied the Super Grout epoxy mixed with their choice of colored grout, unsanded. And it looks dynamite, and that is pretty much a permanent fix, barring a 10-point something or other earthquake. They'll never have mold or cracking or anything else going wrong with this ever again. Here's a trick I use on tubs and sinks to lower the counter and everything to open the gap as wide as possible to completely fill the area. And here's the finished bathtub with the epoxy installed and the water in there to lower the tub and open the gap a little bit. Dental picks make an excellent tool for digging out old caulking. Here's the finished guest countertop with the epoxy installed, looking super clean. Customers were thrilled with this. And just some of the tools for digging out the old latex caulk. Yeah, boy, don't forget your lighting. Very important, especially when you get over 50.